This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching high and low for a 100% free remote desktop protocol server without needing to sign up, without handing over your credit card details, and without jumping through hoops, then you've just struck gold. Today we're exploring an amazing website that gives you free RDP access for life. That's right, no logins, no subscriptions, no payments. Just instant, secure, and reliable remote desktop access, ready to go in minutes. There are so much benefits over here, including no sign-up or credit card required, 100% free forever, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, super easy to set up, safe, secure, and built for reliability. With over 1,000 users jumping on this daily, it's clear that people are constantly searching for this kind of tool, and now you've found it. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step, so you can get started with your own free RDP session today. Let's dive in. Open your browser and type FreeRDPs.com. Here you go. Click on Start Free Trial to proceed. You can explore to get familiar with the platform. This is a very good practice. Now click on Try for Free. As you can see, both packages are free to use. This is amazing, right? Now you have access to two important offers: individual and business usage. Make a choice and proceed. Now copy this details and keep it safe because we will use it on the next page. This is all you need to access your free RDP server now. Make sure you follow attentively without making any mistake. Now before we continue, hit the subscribe button to enjoy more contents from us. Click on Launch App now to proceed. Insert the details you copied earlier in the appropriate fields provided and click Login. Here you go. Your RDP server is ready for use and it's free. I know you love it. Don't forget to share the video to your friends to benefit as well. Drop your comments if you face any challenges. I will address them all. Watch out for my next videos.